In this episode, you will see how devices for sewage treatment plants are made. Modern municipal installations, industrial facilities, and even biogas plants have to meet the highest standards of sewage treatment. This process is aided by advanced devices, such as membrane sewage treatment systems, or portable and stationary sludge dewatering stations. These are used to utilize hundreds of tons of liquid waste every day. Sounds complex? Let's see this happen for ourselves at ESMIL production plant in Elk.
Our clients are the cities all around the world, such big as Houston, Warsaw, Baghdad or Manila, as well as industrial clients from food industry, oil and gas sector or pulp and paper. ESMIL produces its equipment particularly for each client process requirements, making technological adjustments and control system design specifically for each client needs.
Everything begins at the construction department, where designs and 3D models are created. The devices are customized based on the requirements of specific customers and the conditions in which they'll be used. Time for production. The company utilizes high-quality AISI 304 and AISI 316 stainless steel. The material is ordered from EU suppliers. First comes laser cutting for creating detailed parts from a stainless steel sheet. Almost every element of the steel construction undergoes the bending process, done using a bending machine with a capacity of 150 tons. Welding is a key process here. Laser welding is used for thin sheets, up to 8 millimeters, while thicker elements are welded using the traditional TIG, MIG, and MAG technologies. A welding robot is used for tanks and elements that need long, continuous welds. During the etching and passivization processes, stainless steel becomes fully resistant to corrosion. It's critically important. As thanks to this protection, ESMIL devices can be used even in very aggressive environments. Meanwhile, glass bead blasting creates a matte finish and an additional protective coating.
We carefully control the etching process by monitoring the concentration of the metal in the solution, the time of the process, and the temperature.
The machining is performed using CNC milling machines and lathes. This is how shafts, pipes, and other machine elements are made. Some components, such as pumps, drives, spirals for screw conveyors, or flow sensors, are delivered by major global producers. The devices are assembled during the installation process. What we can see here are works connected with the installation of a containerized sludge dewatering plant. The very core of the systems, the control cabinet, are created by reliable partners based on a design prepared by ESMIL engineers. Then, software is installed on them, and then the automation engineers configure them in accordance with all the functions selected by the customer, with remote monitoring and control. And finally, a quality inspection, of course. The process includes a check of the technical documentation, size, location of particular elements, piping, cabling, and automation. The devices undergo test runs and leakage tests of the entire system using water. This is what a complete containerized station looks like. On the other hand, is a portable station, which would be perfectly suited for situations in which, for instance, the sludge treatment installation at a customer's plant is being renovated or modernized. Such dewatered sludge can be further processed into, for instance, compost or fertilizer, not just in Poland, but also in Asia and America, where the technologically advanced products of ESMIL are exported.